It's Thursday the 19th of July 2012 and I think we're about to get this mended. At least they came to measure it up today. So, just for the record, I'm filming what we have got at present. Of course, the nasty bin that's been there a very long time and pointed out in a consultation in January hasn't made a difference, has it? There you go. Okay, gosh, it's windy today. Need a lot of work, but it looks structurally sound. Not that I'm an engineer. Lots of rot. Now they say they inspect it regularly. How could they have not seen this? Amazing, isn't it? This should have been done over many years. It's had a lick of paint occasionally. Black paint. It's quite a large structure, of course. Yeah, actually this looks much worse. I even remember it from last year. They've been poking around is what they've done. I think they've actually done some work, that's what it is. They've raked out the rot at the bases and they will be obviously filling it. That must be good news, mustn't it? But I think I would have wedged something under the bases until they actually start the work, unless they want it to collapse. Sure this will come out in the dark. Okay. I still wish they hadn't buried the plaque. They had a nice raised, important structure. That will do for now.